Welcome, 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 everyone. You're listening to GamerCat, and you're watching GamerCat plays Hearthstone. Excuse me, sorry about all that, but okay. Anyway, what we're doing today is we're going to switch up a little bit because there's a paladin daily quest that we want to get. Play, I think it's 30. Let me take a look. I think it's 30 paladin cards. Let me take a look at that. Yeah. Yep. Play 30 paladin class cards. So we'll go ahead and work on getting that done. Hopefully it won't take us as long as the last quest we did. So we're going to go ahead and use our warlock paladin. God, I'm just not pronouncing stuff today. Our Murloc paladin. Excuse me. Okay, so we'll go ahead and jump into this before I mess anything up too much more. See how things are going real quick. 1 second here. Testing, testing, testing. Okay. I think it's working. There we go. Got ourselves another worthy opponent. Another paladin. Possibly doing the daily quest as well.
I will command the light.
I will command the light. No, me! I will command the light. You know... You're good. Oh, well, whatever. Let's take a look here.
Job's done.
Throw out a 1/1 paladin who's easily expendable.
Accidents. They happen, you know?
Ow.
Reporting for duty.
And try to control the board a little bit here.
Accidents. They happen, you know?
This is kind of a useless tactic right there, but well, actually, no, it wasn't quite useless. It stripped off his buff there. Very good. Very good. All of his minion cards will be a little bit buffed up there, but can't really help that too much right there with that. But anyway, let's go ahead and do you and you. And we'll do as much damage as we can to the face here. Expecting him to fall into the trap of fighting against one of my minions and doing half my work for me.
Follow the rules.
Yeah, he kind of sort of did.
Back to your homes.
Reporting for duty.
I'm going to go ahead and continue hitting face because, quite frankly, I want to see... I mean, I don't want to blow two... I don't want to blow two minions on fighting off this guy here. I want him to hit... I think what he's going to see is this guy here is a major threat, even though it's really kind of not. Not yet, anyway.
Join or die. Or both.
Uh-huh. Come on. I'll get a little bit of damage out of that. Let's see. Do 2 damage to everything. That would kill... I'd kill my... Well, no, it wouldn't kill my guy. Wouldn't quite kill anybody else though either. Let's go ahead and try to once again bait everybody here. Let's go ahead and do that. That way we know we get hurt. I'm waiting to whittle these guys down just a little bit more. Then we pull out our six drop here and do 2 damage to everything.
I wonder.
Thing is, I haven't quite taken a whole lot of damage just yet. Only 5 points. He's only taken 7. So, yeah, that's kind of the big thing that everybody goes after right there. And why not? Because then you can kill everything in one shot. Ow! Including yourself! Including yourself. Okay, now this is at this point, this becomes very, 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 very advantageous. That's going to kill 3 characters on that side. Boom! Dead. Lots of deadness. Yep, keep hitting the face.
The light protects me.
Ouch. Ripping control of the board. The good news here is what I'm going to do. Yep, this will work. We do that to get him exposed. Then we do that. Retake our board. Oh, shut up.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have some cards. I have my board. Have some cards.
Don't worry, love. The cavalry.
Charge. That's not good, but okay. Okay, now that he's exposed himself a little bit here, let's do some badness. You, and you, and you, and you, and you. More minions.
Reporting for duty.
Okay. Got you whittled down really good. There we go. I've got a board. And 2 knife throwers out there. Things are looking interesting at this point.
Mind if I roll mean?
No, go ahead.
The light protects me.
The cool thing is that he's running out of cards. So, yes. Let's continue to... Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm at 10. Let's go ahead and do really bad things. 7, so we need to have these guys go away. So we're going to do this. You. You. And you. So that we can do... Actually, shoot. This. And then we'll go ahead and lots of damage to the face. And do something quickly or die. So I've got a full field now. Not saying that he can't do anything. Most of those are really, really... Yep. Well, he decides to concede, so there we go. Yeah, a nice win for our paladin. Yes, I will command the light, I said. I will command the light. Thank you. So, anyway, if you liked that display of Murlocness, please feel free to comment in the section below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.